Have you ever wondered why some businesses skyrocket to success while others struggle despite putting in twice the effort? It's not magic, it's strategy. Today, I'm going to show you how to achieve massive business results while expending minimal effort. These strategies are proven, tested, and actionable. You'll learn exactly how to apply them to your business to start seeing results immediately. We live in an age where efficiency, not effort, determines success. The businesses thriving today are those that leverage systems, automation, and focus strategies. This isn't about cutting corners, it's about cutting wasted time, energy, and resources. We'll dive into 5 core strategies, from leveraging the 80-20th rule to mastering automation and sales funnels. Along the way, I'll recommend books, tools, and courses that have been game changers for countless entrepreneurs. Get ready to learn how to create evergreen content, build efficient systems, and work less while achieving more. 1. What is the 80-20th rule? The 80-20th rule, or Pareto principle, is a concept that states 80% of results come from 20% of efforts. It's a universal principle that applies to everything from sales to personal productivity. For example, 20% of your customers might account for 80% of your revenue. Similarly, 20% of your tasks likely produce 80% of your outcomes. 2. How it applies to business. Step 1. Identify high-impact activities. Start by analyzing your business activities. Ask yourself, which tasks drive revenue? Which customers buy the most? Which products sell best? Example: if you run an e-commerce store, focus on the top-performing products and optimize their listings. Step 2. Focus and optimize. Reallocate resources to these high-impact areas. Cut down or delegate the rest. Step 3. Track progress. Use tools like Google Analytics to track the performance of your key activities. Case study. A startup in the software industry analyzed its customer base and found that 20% of its clients accounted for 75% of recurring revenue. By focusing on these high-value clients, they tailored premium services, boosting retention and doubling revenue in 6 months. Recommended resources. Book: The 80-20th Principle by Richard Koch. App: Clockify for time tracking to identify high-impact tasks. Why automation is a game changer. Automation isn't just a convenience, it's a necessity. By automating repetitive tasks, you free up time and energy for strategic decision-making. Businesses using automation see an average productivity boost of 30% and a cost reduction of 25%. Source: McKinsey. 2. Areas to automate. Marketing. Use email marketing tools like MailChimp to send automated campaigns. Example: an online course creator automated their onboarding sequence, sending personalized welcome emails that doubled their conversion rates. Sales. Automate lead follow-ups with tools like HubSpot. Schedule webinars to pitch products effortlessly. Operations. Streamline workflows with tools like Asana for project management. 3. How to get started. Step 1. Map out repetitive tasks in your business. Step 2. Choose tools that align with your needs. Step 3. Test and tweak processes. Recommended resources. Digital product: sell like crazy with webinars. App: Zapier for connecting tools and automating workflows. 1. Why content is king. Content marketing is the most cost-effective way to attract, engage, and convert customers. Unlike ads, evergreen content continues to bring in leads long after it's published. 2. How to create high-impact content. Step 1. Research topics your audience cares about using tools like SEMrush. Step 2. Create evergreen formats, tutorials, how-to guides, and case studies. Step 3. Use storytelling to connect emotionally with your audience. 3. YouTube as a growth engine. Choose a niche and create high-quality, consistent content. Example: a small business coach doubled their client base by posting weekly video tips. Recommended resources. Digital product: From Zero to YouTube Hero. Book, content incorporated by Joe Pulizzi. Let's quickly summarize the key strategies to achieving massive business results with minimal effort. 1. The 80-20th rule. Focus on the 20% of activities that yield 80% of your outcomes. Prioritize tasks that directly impact growth, and eliminate or delegate the rest. 2. Automation tools. Leverage technology to handle repetitive tasks. Tools like CRM systems, email marketing platforms, and project management software save time and ensure consistency. 3. Outsourcing. Delegate tasks to freelancers or external teams for better efficiency and to focus on strategic decision-making. 4. Content marketing. Create high-quality, evergreen content that resonates with your audience. Use SEO, videos, and other tools to maximize reach with minimal ongoing effort. 5. Sales funnels. Build automated systems to guide customers from awareness to purchase, ensuring scalability and passive income potential. 6. Time blocking. Schedule focused work sessions to maximize productivity while avoiding burnout. 7. Building strategic relationships. Network with industry leaders, collaborate on projects, and form partnerships to achieve exponential growth. Don't just watch, take action. Choose one strategy today and start implementing it. Massive results are closer than you think. Work smarter, live better, and let your business grow exponentially.